In this video, we'll be going over how to install the C2219 tie-down for your Chevy or GMC truck. Starting on the driver's side, install a 5-inch bolt through the provided square washer and other hardware. Next, assemble your 7/16 hardware onto your bolt fissure and drop it into the rearward-most hole. It is recommended to leave the fissure on for the time being. Then remove the bolt on the upper part of the frame that attaches to the bed. Place your tie-down onto the 2 bolts as you thread the upper factory bolt into position. Then attach the rest of your hardware and nuts onto the 2 remaining bolts. Tighten them to the proper foot-pounds once installed. When you're ready to use your tie-downs, slide the insert into the receiver and secure it with the provided pin. The install process is the same on the other side, so repeat the previous steps when attaching the passenger tie-down.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.